Here's the top stories. Student organizations boycott Republic Day celebration in state. CA bill road continues. Authorities still fail to enforce stringent traffic rule. Citizens don't trail. And YPA total shutdown affects normal life in Churachandpur. Hello and good evening. I'm ONEL Samandaram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Students of the state won't be participating in the year's Republic Day celebration organized by Government of Manipur. The students made the decision following the passage of Citizenship Amendment Bill at the Lok Sabha. Students of DM College of Arts today announced that they will not take part in the Republic Day celebration as well. Speaking at a meeting at DM College of Arts, Secretary of DM Arts Students Union and Priyobata urged the government to take a stand against the bill and that the students of DM Arts will support any form of protest launched by CSOs and student organizations against the bill.
January 9 Lok Sabha passed Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Asi Manipur Ramdam gi yalong using gi mutkiba gi porokpa amadi bilasi koi satana miyam yengna bani ana lojai bilasi Rajya Sabha passed tawdana ba Manipur Sarkarna su takshin biu amadi bilasi bu yaninga ba uppa oina handak lakadariba 26 January Republic Day celebration asi koi DM College of Arts ki satra matam hi yaujara roi aduga loyna Bilasi ki matang da satra loop amadi siwa sina tangsul pa kundang kuti makoi mangjin thana na yokja gani amadi bilasi ki mayok ta mayam puna lemina siam sum pass tawdana so hona minase hana media ki thongai jari.
Meanwhile, people continue to protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill as part of the protest by 6 student organizations. Konjeng Hazari Lekai Maira Paibilub stage sit in protest at Konjeng Hazari Lekai along Tidim Road today. Secretary of the Merapai Biluk, Nancy Wahangbam said CA bill can't be implemented in the state and will support and protest called by the student organizations against the bill.
Luptarungna changchalakpa khongjang khudimakta Konjeng Hazari lekai gi Merapai bisingna saruk yagani aroiboina Manipur lengana su hairiba wafam hairiba hiram sigi matangda achumba phirep puthokpigada.
Sayang Ningthau Merapai Bilub also staged similar protests at Sayang Pukrimapal Community Hall today. Secretary of the Merapai Bilub condemned the government for not announcing its stand regarding the bill. Traffic congestion may not be one of the state issues. However, those who are living in and around Imphal, the so-called capital city of the state, they would know what it is like to travel from one place to another in a tight schedule. Here's a report.
Even as the traffic police have been trying their best to make the people follow traffic rules, commuters seem to not have been able to follow the rules, perhaps due to tight schedule or lack of understanding. Rash driving, unnecessary honking, stopping on zebra crossing are very few of the many that may be mentioned. It does not only create unnecessary chaos and frustration among those who are driving, but also to those who are on foot. On the other hand, the ongoing works at the 3 main traffic islands near the Kangla Gate, the Raj Bhavan and at the Chingmerong Khongnang Anikarak are making it more inconvenient for the commuters. It would be more suitable if all the construction works are done during the nights when minimum traffic is expected. Besides, it is high time for the traffic police to penalize those who break traffic rules in a more stringent manner. Jajit with camera person Naresh, BOYCOTTS News, Imphal.
At least 5 persons, including a member of ADC, sustained injury in 2 clashes, which broke out between 2 groups in the 2 separate incidents at Lungtul in Churachandpur district. The clash occurred when Young Party Association protested demanding against a perpetrator who allegedly tried to kill the General Secretary of the association at V. Munhoi, New Lamka around 8:30 last night. Later, another clash occurred at Darkos Vang, New Lamka, wherein ADC member Ji Swanching Pao, aged 51, son of Jamkhoin and 4 others sustained injuries. The injured persons were Song Indian, aged 31, son of B. Ginkhozam, Thongliam Kham, aged 45, son of Jamkhojin from Darkos Vang, David Tuan Biakla, 25, son of L. Jinlal, and T. Tunja Kham Elias Kampu, aged 43, wife of Tian Mung Vung, a resident of Bungmol. The conflict broke out over the total shutdown called by Young Party General Headquarters. Shops remained closed and vehicular movement was recorded minimum. It's now time for a short break.
Mahindra Tractor Showroom na monsoon season lakada monsoon offer pijari India da saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder akaknaba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta miyam da phanganjari ho sangbai ma takpada electric prepaid ta sapna ki lupa ni makhai mai jai besan morok yangang marumarang hawai makhal sul takpa yaraba grinder su phangbiragani rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awab leitraba yumgi sangoi kachin amada hillaga isana adum phau takchaba yaraba cheng wai manghandraba cheng khainadraba Annapurna domestic rice mill ni akupa marol gidamak lingsin birau Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazaar pijariba offer price ki khudong saba simyamna lawi ho akaknaba matam khara khaktan
Manipur da ihan hanba oina healthcare products singi fangfom Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System Registered Office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road Imphal 795001 Branch Office Lalambung Makhong Rims Road near Syndicate Bank Imphal 795001 Complete Rainstar Surgical Instruments Hospital Equipments OT Lights and Tables Auto Claps Rehabilitation Ads Hospital Consumables Healthcare Products Diagnostic Reagents, Hearing Aids, Blood Glucometer, Digital BP Monitor, Air Mattress, Amadi Nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari with terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidama contact tobirau 0385 20569092 Amadi 917085776993. Ekoigi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Ngasimak lengsin birau Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System.
Welcome back after the break. One-day awareness program on sexual harassment in office was held at All India Radio Imphal in Palace Compound today. Judge of Manipur High Court Justice Sorok Khaibam Sadananda and retired DIG Crime R.K. Memi were the resource persons at the awareness program. Dilip Mayengbam, Kalyan Datta and other staffs of the All India Radio Imphal also attended the program. Speaking at the awareness program, Justice S. Sadananda said the Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013 not only includes sexual harassment but also encompasses equitable status of dignity in office environment. He further said sexual harassment includes passive aggression, concept of blackmailing, unwelcoming, sexually determined behavior, showing pornography either directly or indirectly, etc., giving comments on women's body shape, for example, calling someone lean or fat, etc., also counts under sexual harassment. The High Court just asserted. All India Fishermen Congress Northeast in charge Ningombam Bhupen Mete, aged 31, filed nomination as a candidate for Manipur parliamentary in the 17th Lok Sabha election. Currently, he is a philosophy lecturer at Hindu College under Delhi University. He is the son of former Deputy Director of Fisheries of Khongman Zone 2, Imphal East District, Ningomba Munan and R.K. Sanatombi, both retired. He was chosen by Congress President Rahul Gandhi for the development of fishermen of Northeast. He was the chairperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, social media and spokesperson. It may be mentioned that few took the form to file nomination for inner parliamentary in Lok Sabha election. New member of Congress Party Okram Joy, former MLA Dr. N.G. Bijoy of Kurai Kendra, MP Timanya Sarangthem Manaubi, Naringbam Bisorjit are among others, and for Outer Swardhan Vasum of Fungyar Assembly Constituency, K.S. Haite of Senapati Assembly Constituency, James Kasum from Kamjong, P. Jangkhomang of Chandel, and Lalkholam Hang Singh of Kangpokpi. As part of the ongoing Gangai festival of Kabui Brethren, the villagers of Kabui Khul in Patso Assembly Constituency celebrated the Phi Haiba ritual last night. Central Working Committee of NEIDP, Naringbam Samarjit and members of the party took part in the celebration. Speaking at a celebration, and Samarjit said the NEIDP will make efforts to conserve the original form of the festival as passed down by the ancestors.
Historic value piriba sigumbagi magi promotion to matamda Salai Police Direct Limited amade Northeast India Development Party na chahi kudingi amade thol kudingi ekoina achobu mate ekoi adamadu koi lobjadani have say agency yang pundatanjaramge.
As a part of the tight security measures taken up by the State Police Department in different parts of the state to avert any unwanted incidents ahead of the upcoming Republic Day celebrations, Manipur Police Department also conducted a mass cordon and search operation in various places today. In Imphal East District, under the supervision of SP Imphal East K. Meghachandra, a combined team of Imphal East Commando, Women PS and Hangang PS carried out a mass search drive in Ahalup Mayalikai, which fall under the jurisdiction of Hangang Police Station. The search drive started from 5:15 till 7:25 this morning, in which 634 were checked for identification, and out of which 9 persons without proper ID proofs were handed over to Hangang Police Station for further verification. In Imphal West District 2, a mass house search operation under the supervision of Additional SP Operations T.H. Krishnatombi, a joint team of Imphal West Commando and Imphal Police Station, led by Deputy SP Operations Amarjit Lamabam from 5:30 till 7 a.m. in Jomi Villa of North AOC. Altogether, 80 houses were searched and 420 were verified with proper ID documents. Another 8 persons failing to produce proper ID proofs were handed over to Imphal Police Station for further verification. On the other hand, under the supervision of Deputy SP Commando Imphal West Amit, a mass search drive was conducted from Hindu Hotel to Nagamapal till Jalal, and the search drive was started from 7:40 till 8:30 this morning, in which 456 were verified with proper ID cards and another 17 persons without proper ID proofs in possession were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. It's now time for another short break.
Matalgi Sasenaba Products Sindagi Jackson Biu Kanglaipak Spices Industry na puthokpa Majalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amata leizade. KSI na puthokpa Majalgi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglaipak Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiu. Amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiu. Lalamung Makong Takhela Mamlekai Rims Road Factory Thangweban Senam Lekai haina thari basin नत्तबा अतोपा अमता मचल गे असेंबा प्रोडक्ट नत्ते सासिनबा अमसुंग मालहनबा सिंगदगी चेक्सिनबियु हेना कुपमरोल खंगनबा लेंगसिनबिराउ मचल कांगलेपाक स्पाइसेस इंडस्ट्री ललामुंग मखोंग तखेलमम लेकाई रिम्स रोड फैक्ट्री थांगमिबन सिनाम लेकाई नियर लमफे लंपाक नत्रगा लॉग ऑन तौबियु www.machalspices.com or facebook/machalspices नत्रगा ईमेल तौबिराउ info@machalspices
Kanglei Park Modern School admission started for 2019 session. Free admission with 100% concession in tuition fee and 1 month free boarding for the third and following children of the same parent. Inspirational awards and prizes for meritorious students. Facilities available. Special concession for students from BPL families and fatherless children. Free medical checkup at least once a year. Separate boarding for boys and girls. Session starts from 21st January. For more information, please contact 8974-834-231. Welcome back after the break. A notice circulated by the General Secretary of Debaters Union Manipur, M.K. Saroj, stated a state-level debating competition on CAB 2016 will be held at Imphal GM Hall on 24th of this month. The notice further stated that the topic of the debate will be the implementation of CAB 2016 and its negative impact and protection by Manipur People's Bill 2018. It further urged students' organizations, CSOs, local clubs, organizations and experts to take part in the debate competition. The first, second and third winner will be rewarded 7,000, 5,000 and 3,000 respectively. Consolation prizes will be given to selected few. Interested candidates may contact mobile numbers 9089-752-436, 8794-210-450 and 940-240-4323. The band outfit Kanglei Park Communist Party People's War Group has asserted that the group has not lifted the ban imposed on Catholic Education Society of the state. This was informed in a press release issued by Central Media Coordinator of the group, Moram Bamaite. The release further stated that the group has already announced on June 6, 2016 that the group doesn't have any connection with those former members who surrendered to the government for their selfish motives. The people will come to know of their identity only when an action is taken up against them by the group. The Catholic Education Society is trying to hide their mistake from the people. They are just paving a way to earn money through students, blaming the group with the help of few people in an attempt to hide their wrongdoings, with being no positive outcome to the society, the press release added. Short story writer Samurai Latpam Santibala's name has been announced for the prestigious Lesangtham Somananda Memorial Award 2018, which will be conferred on her by Kanglei Park Loina Silon Apunba Marup. Now it's time for the sports news. Sky Sinamkom defeated Young Boys Tangkham by 7-5 in the first round of the ongoing 8th state-level village-wise Harau Road Trophy at YMC ground today. KKFC Pangai beat SYDC Sinam by 4-0. It's now time for another short break.
Loomlang started with the idea of creating a one-stop destinations for all the fashion-forward and stylish shabby people and to pique the curiosity of the rest. With the customer at heart, we deals with shoes, bags and all types of cut and show products for women. We allow and provide customized products, especially wedding and evening gowns. Email loomlang@gmail.com, mobile 99581499894, 7085205085, 7085270490.
Hello Kids Clubhouse Play School. Play smart, grow smart. Admissions open for 2019 sessions for playgroup, nursery, LKG, UKG at affordable fee structure. It follows playway and Montessori teaching by well-trained teachers with the help of audio-visual medium and regular activities to enhance creativity. It provides midday meal and transportation facilities. For more detail, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse 700-5172-365 or 9612-719050.
ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯌꯥꯄꯣꯇꯩ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ?
ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯏꯃꯥ.
ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯏꯟꯖꯥꯡꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯟꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯗꯅ.
ꯕꯦꯁꯣꯟꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯇꯣꯠꯄ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯖꯥꯡꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯊꯥꯎ ꯉꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁꯣꯟꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯆꯟꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯨꯔꯒꯦꯔꯥ?
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯨꯔꯒꯦ. ꯏꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣ ꯕꯦꯁꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯆꯜ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯗꯄꯤꯌꯨ.
네. 강리파기 스파이시스 인더스트리기 프로덕션이 로비로는 이름동이 포수어이래 포장주 야우드래 장주 속드래 그도이네 KSI나 호기버세 트라이 반지도 포소이버 프로덕션 양러잔 진저 파우더 칠리 파우더 터머릭 파우더 시나몬 파우더 미티 지라 파우더 아마디 하이리보 로이나나 사마살 아마디 마찰라 파우바 mayam manadaba packaging system so oiraba manipurda yanan boina spices industry da ISO 9001 2000 amadi ISO 9001 2015 phangmada natana trademark su registration tawraba KSI gi product tam sizinabiu sina khwai de hena pharena bonina pire imni
ima KSI gi product sidi yam phabane.
Singugi paujel, singugi paujel. Numit thaza kumja suri, singu ipu taret saphongli, ipu tau pakhang bana phambal tongi hairakli. Sare pharaba siklana, masa maring phanna, maning tamna, atyada paige hairakli. Laklo, ipu tau pakhang bana takpa, aikhoi gi achumba lambi, leire. Kiranu, kibagi matam natre, haujikti. Tungi mirolgi icha isu singi achumba lambi thamlam lasi Manipuri ima wab kham thengle ima gi pirang macha aikhoi ni taithok lasi kiranu ima na mangda ibe na tungda ipa na yetta ipu na oida ngakli macha masu senari ngasi phau aikhoi son thabagi matam loire malem da Manipuri ima gi saktam tak lasi malem khanghan lasi ngasi gi mirolna matam loire takle pire achumba lambi laklo singburoi tamburoi ima gi tung illo laklo natu naman khingdoklo nolukna paujen jariba salai laithau sanglen a unit of Salai Holdings Private Limited.
Welcome back after the break. The attempts to hold a third flag meeting failed on Monday with no one from the border guards Bangladesh turning up to decide on an action plan for the Rohingyas stranded at the India-Bangladesh border. According to the Indian Express, all the 31 Rohingyas who have been stranded on the zero line between the international borders of India and Bangladesh in West Tripura district for the last 96 hours held from the Rakhine state of Myanmar. Officials said today, speaking to a National Delhi, a BSF public relation officer who didn't wish to be named, said that the Rohingyas have been stranded between barbed wire fence on the Indian side of border pillars of Bangladesh since January 18. The border guards Bangladesh first claimed to have detained them trying to cross the border and call up BSF authorities at 8:30 p.m. The Srinagar National Highway was closed on Tuesday after a snow avalanche blocked both tubes of the Jawahar Tunnel on Kazingun side, police said. Rescue operations have been launched to evacuate people stranded in the tunnel, but there is no report of any casualties so far. A snow avalanche hit Jawahar Tunnel and has blocked both tubes of the tunnel. From Kazingun side, a police official said. He said the avalanche forced suspension of traffic movement on the aerial road connecting Kashmir to the rest of the country. Rescue operation has been launched to evacuate people stranded in the tunnel. Men and machinery are on job to clear the debris, the official said. More than 100 academics and former diplomats are calling to China to release 2 Canadians who have been detained in retaliation for the arrest of a top Chinese tech executive in Canada. The letter by a wide array of China experts from around the world is addressed to Chinese President Xi Jinping. It says, the arrest of the 2 Canadians sends a worrisome signal to those who work in policy and research in China. China detained former Canadian diplomat Michael Kovrig and Canadian entrepreneur Michael Spavor on December 10th in an apparent attempt to pressure Canada to release Chinese executive Ming Wanzhou, who was arrested on December 1st at the request of U.S. authorities. Meng is the chief financial officer of the Chinese tech giant Huawei and the daughter of its founder. The U.S. wants her extradited to face charges that she committed frauds by misleading banks about Huawei's business dealings in Iran. Now it's time for the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, short Vasu, 10 orders apply for Congress decade. HRD6 CBI probe into public fund misuse in NIT Manipur construction. Student bodies decry Chief Minister's communal taunt. Congress's move to get House convene false flag. The People's Chronicle, police fuel rally against CAB. Flags found torch. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur defers agitation plan. Congress doubtful of CAB close for Manipur. Students' body for censoring anti-people leaders. HRD6 CBI probe into NIT fund scam. Cyber expert says 2014 polls rigged. Election Commission denies allegations. Imphal Free Press. 47th Statehood Day celebrated. Education is the key to bring development in the society, says Biren. Congress leaders call on governor to ask her to summon special house session. HRD6 CBI probe into public fund misuse in NIT Manipur construction. Joint students' body calls for united stand against CAB. The Morning Bell. 47th Statehood Day observed. State government leading people towards self-reliance, says Chief Minister Biren. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee calls off its proposed 24-hour general strike. Civil society organizations call for unity of all political parties against Citizenship Bill. Eastern Army Commander reviews security situation in Manipur. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister calls for revolution in education on Statehood Day, says Chief Minister. NPF wins Tamenglong ADC by poll. Pachao appointed member JERC. CC meets State League to resume.
And before we wind up the top stories once again. Students' organizations boycott Republic Day celebration in state. CA bill row continues. Authority still fails to enforce stringent traffic rule. Citizen Dawn Trail. And YPA total shutdown affects normal life in Churachandpur. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.